the bottom seam off because it doesn't stretch as well as the rest of the t-shirt. Then you just cut 1 to 2 inch strips all along your shirt until you have enough, however many you're looking for. The first project we're doing takes 4, the second project takes 6. So you can use all one color shirt, or you can mix it up with a couple different colors. Shirts with a lot of really thick print are not super ideal because the print doesn't end up stretching very well, but they work fine if that's what you have. So you cut one end of the loop to make long strips, then pull the ends and stretch them all the way out to make t-shirt yarn. Stretch them all out, all 4 pieces here. Then you tie the whole bundle in a knot at one end. Alright, so you're going to line up your strips like a plus shape, but slightly offset. You notice each of the strip lines up with its own row of squares in the grid. And that will help you initially keep track of where the strip will weave. So first, the left and right strips bend over to the opposite side to create the loops. So you hear me talk about the loops. Left goes right and right goes left. But they stay in the same row that they were. And then you weave the up and down strips over and under. So you go over and then through the loop. So here we're going over and then under through the loop. So once you do that, you're going to pull the strips tight, but only little by little, because if you pull really hard, you'll kind of mess up where your strips are going and you'll get all confused. So this is definitely going to work the best. Keep everything in place. See? Now it kind of looks like a little square. Now we're going to do it again. We do the loops. Side to side. Then the up and down strips, you go over and under. And then the other strip over the first one through there. You tighten a little bit by a little bit. If you pull it too tight, they just sort of slide under each other and they don't really tighten up. So we have to go little by little. Then you know it's good when you see the little square. And here we go one more time, nice and slow. So the loops. And then the weaving. Over, under. Over and under. Tighten it up. And there you go. That's what it looks like so far. Here's a close-up picture of the loops. One more time. The weaving, that's what it looks like while it's going. And then tightening it up. And there you go, you just do that over and over. So once you have it long enough, you just tie a knot at the end, and then snip off the fringe. Alright, so here is the braiding project. We'll snip the loops into strips just like we did the last time, and pull them into t-shirt yarn. And here I'm going to use 2 strips of each color so that I can keep everything straight. So about 1/3 down your bundle, I'm going to tie a little loose thread around just to separate the ends. I'm going to braid for another 1/3 for your length. Nice and tight. Hold it in place. That'll be the best. Measured it. I feel like it needed to be a little bit longer. Alright, and when I'm finished, I'm going to just take that tie that loop together just to keep it in place. I'll spread it out. I have equal numbers, 3 sets, and then braid this part. So you braid the middle loop, and then you braid everything that's left into a giant braid. Leave yourself some fringe at the end to tie a gigantic knot. Pull it really tight. Untie the thread that was looping everything together, and there you go. That one's finished too.